Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Scratch. This is the sprite, or you can say character. This is the name, which is sprite. This is sprite and this is sprite 1. It's the name of the character. So first of all, we're gonna go in, choose a sprite. We will choose a parrot. Here we find the parrot. We click it and we delete this sprite. We click on it and we delete it. Now we only have the parrot, so we're gonna minus his size and make his size 50. Now you click on the screen, he will get small. Now we need a backdrop. Go in a background. We also call this a background. Search forest, or you can say jungle. Choose this. Right now we have this background. We are going to change x into minus 200. Now that is done. We turn y into 0. Now the parrot is up. What we do next is easy. Now we are going to go in the codes. We go first in events. We take this flag, or the first one. Then we go in motion. We choose go to x minus 200. See? And it will be same as this. Now we are going to take the repeats block 10 times. The second one on control. Fourth code. Now we were going to go in motion and take move 10 steps. We are going to put it in the repeat block. Now we are going to go in sound. We are going to go, or if you don't have next costume, you can go in looks. You're gonna find it over there. Keep this block over here and go in control. Take this block on control, place it here, and don't forget to change it to 0.2 seconds. So we are going to place move 10 steps, then we are going to place next costume, then we're going to place wait 0.2 seconds, then click the flag. It works. If you want to make it flap faster, go in here and click 0.1, click it flaps faster. Also, you can increase how much you want to go. Try 20. On 20 you can flap higher or faster. For example, I am putting this on 0.05. I do that. It flaps really fast. So right now I'm gonna keep it in the normal and the steps on 10. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Now I will go in the file and save to your computer. Write any name you want. For example, I'm going to write my name And that's it for all. Thank you for watching. And also don't forget to save it. If you want to get it again, go on load on from your computer. When you're going to find today or last day or yesterday or last week. This is all the things I have done. Once, for example, I will close it. I will go on new. Okay, I will go in file and load from your computer. I am going to click this and open. I will get the same program again. Thank you for watching and see you next time.